Olale! Good morning! Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning everyone! Buong Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao, good morning! So guys, a day in my life in the province of Zambales. So, shout out muna and thank you. Shout out to all my followers, to all my viewers, and to all my silent viewer. Ay, mataka lang dyan ko ani. Pero oo guys, good morning and seryoso muna ako. Stay safe everyone. Kasi nga, yes, I heard na parang may mga low pressures area, may mga low pressure sa kung saan saan. So, mag-amping kanunay mga kaludi ko, no? Kasi nga, when there's typhoon, yan, it's a very, I think, mga pinaka-hardest time para sa mga businesswoman like me. Hawa? Just businessman, ano ba yan? Assuming. Also guys, yun lang po. And then ako ngayon still working. Rain or shine. But I have still working guys this time. So, gusto kong sumakay. Pwede ko makay? Ay, okay lang. Yeah, sa likod. Thank you.